The prostate is a small gland in men, about the size of a walnut. It sits below the bladder and surrounds the urethra. The urethra is the tube that carries urine and semen out of the body. The prostate's main job is to make fluid for semen. This fluid is essential for reproduction. It nourishes and helps transport sperm. A healthy prostate is crucial for a man's reproductive health. The prostate gland can encounter various issues as men age. These issues can affect urinary and reproductive functions. It's important for men to be aware of these potential problems and seek medical attention if they experience any unusual symptoms. Early detection and treatment are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. As men age, their prostate can enlarge. This condition is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. BPH is common in men over 50. An enlarged prostate can press on the urethra. This pressure can cause problems with urination. Men with BPH may need to urinate frequently. They may also have difficulty starting or stopping urine flow. Another common prostate problem is prostatitis. Prostatitis is an inflammation of the prostate. It can be caused by a bacterial infection. Prostatitis can be very painful. It can also cause problems with urination, such as pain or burning. These conditions can significantly impact a man's quality of life. Understanding the symptoms and seeking timely medical advice is crucial. Prostate cancer is a serious health concern for men. It is one of the most common cancers in men. Prostate cancer grows slowly in its early stages. Men may not experience any symptoms. Regular screenings are crucial for early detection. A PSA test is a blood test that can detect prostate cancer early. Early detection of prostate cancer is important. When detected early, prostate cancer is highly treatable. Treatment options vary depending on the stage and severity of the cancer. It's essential for men to discuss their risk factors and screening options with their doctor. Maintaining a healthy prostate is essential for overall well-being. Men can take proactive steps to support their prostate health. A healthy diet is crucial. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Regular exercise is also important. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Limit alcohol and caffeine intake. And don't forget regular checkups with your doctor. These checkups can help detect any problems early on. Remember, a healthy prostate contributes to a healthier you.